Welcome to Ready Steady Eat, and this is your gourmet guru Saloni, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet wonderful recipe for chicken fried rice, and I can assure you anybody who eats it will love it. So to start preparing the chicken fried rice, I already have leftover rice from yesterday. Leftover rice works very well when making chicken fried rice. You take a teaspoon of oil, rub it on your fingers and just work through this rice to remove any clumps if there are any. Once you set the rice aside, we are going to cook our chicken. So in a hot wok, about 3 tablespoons of oil, swirl it a bit. Now you can see that the oil is hot, so I'm going to add the chicken. We're going to cook this till it's nice and brown. You can see that now the chicken is brown, so I'm going to remove this and keep it aside. Now in the same wok, I'm going to add the rest of the oil, the sesame seed oil, and to this I'm adding the chopped onions. And to this I'm going to add the garlic. Now you can see that the garlic is cooked through. So to this I'm going to add the chilli, give it a nice toss, the carrot, and now I'm adding the peas to this. Now we're going to cook this till the vegetables are tender. Ensure that the vegetables are not overcooked. They need to be slightly crunchy. Lightly beat the 2 eggs. Put the vegetables on one side. Add the eggs. You're going to just scramble them a bit. Now they are done. We can mix it with the vegetables. I'm going to add the chicken. To this I'm going to add the soya sauce, the oyster sauce and the vinegar. Stir it well. And to this we are going to add the rice. The heat should be high and we have to quickly stir this. Keep tossing the rice. It has to be a well fried rice depending on how dry it is, so the rice is nice and fluffy. Do it firmly yet carefully so that you don't break the grains of the rice. Toss it for a couple of minutes. You can see how nice and light and fluffy the rice is. You would have noticed that I have not added any salt to this because the sauces already have a lot of salt. For me this is perfect. I don't need to add any salt in this. And now for the last ingredient, onion greens. One last toss and chicken fried rice is ready to serve. Once you try it, do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more such simple and delicious recipes.